New energy lithium battery manufacturing, cold knowledge you don't know. There are 13 processes in new energy lithium battery manufacturing, 9 of which have high requirements for environmental dew point temperature. Some links need to be lower than -30 degrees Celsius, some are lower than -40 degrees Celsius, and the injection link must be lower than -45 degrees Celsius. It can be seen that the dew point transmitter is very critical. HENGKO HG602-D dew point transmitter, with a range of -60 plus 60 degrees Celsius, stable and reliable data detection. Its small size, high accuracy, anti-condensation, etc. are suitable for batch use in lithium battery manufacturing environmental monitoring systems, and are widely praised. It is an ideal choice to replace imports. For new energy lithium battery manufacturing, choose a dew point transmitter, choose HENGKO HG602-D.